What happens when non believers hear the Quran for the very first time? Today we are watching their raw, unfiltered reaction to the recitation. Even though they don't understand a single word of Arabic, you can see an instant shift as they experience a deep sense of peace and comfort. It is a powerful reminder of how beautiful the words of Allah truly are. Let's jump straight into the video and see their reactions.
فقد نصره الله إذ أخرجه الذين كفروا ثاني اثنين إذ هما في الغار إذ يقول لصاحبه لا تحزن إن الله معنا.
As he just mentioned, it made him feel completely accepted and safe. He does not understand a single word, yet he feels his deep sense of calm and comfort. This is the true miracle of the Quran.
أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
My name is Gramos and I'm from Albania.
Nice to see you, Gramos. Today I'm gonna play you something for about 10 to 20 seconds. You will listen it and tell me what would you think of it. As simple as that. Yeah.
With my headphones?
Yeah, cheers.
ألف لام تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين أم يقولون افتراه بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يهتدون الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gramos. That was really good. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
This is Graham. When they asked him how he felt after listening to the Quran recitation, he described a feeling of total calm and peace. He even said it felt like drawing closer to God. The Quran brought him instant happiness and comfort. Despite the language barrier, it is just another beautiful example of how the words of Allah can touch a person's heart.
خلقكم من نفس واحدة من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم اليتامى فانكحوا ما طاب لكم من النساء مثنى وثلاث ورباع فإن خفتم ألا تعدلوا فواحدة أو ما ملكت أيمانكم ذلك أدنى ألا تعولوا وآتوا النساء صدقاتهن.
Subhanallah, watching that is honestly so beautiful. When she said she did not know what it was, but it instantly brought peace to her soul. That is a universal human experience. It completely transcends language barriers. And then seeing the other two sisters feel the exact same shift. That is not a coincidence. In Islamic tradition, the Quran refers to itself as Shifa, a literal healing and mercy for the hearts and souls. You are witnessing that happen in real time.
I'm gonna play you something for about 10 to 20 seconds. You will listen it and tell me what would you think of it. Simple as that. So I'll give you my headphones. Yep.
ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
Well, have you heard that?
Our final reaction comes from Jacob. When he shared how the recitation made him feel, he said, "It made me feel relaxed. It felt like everything else disappeared while I was listening. It was a really peaceful and calming experience." Even without understanding the language, the Quran still brought him total comfort and peace. It is just one more beautiful example of how the words of Allah can touch people's hearts in an incredible way.